An otter decides to interrupt some caiman peacefully sunbaking. A giant black caiman seems to be hungry for some fishermen.
Okay guys, we are so lucky. You don't see this every day. It's hard to see it. This is the emerald tree boa. Wow! It's really huge.
You wouldn't want to get one of these crawling up your leg. Villagers stumble across an absolute massive beast in the rainforest.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna cry. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. I love you so much.
Check out this unusual but fascinating lizard.
Come right over here.
A man rescues a manatee that seems to be abandoned and a bit unresponsive.
You got it. Look at you.
This is very friendly fish. Normally this live in Phuket.
Oh, wow.
It's similar to dolphin.
Uh-huh.
In the front, give him the banana.
Green banana.
A caiman is recorded floating down the river in a strange demeanor.
What's crossing this?
This is Amazon tree boa, Music, Corallus hortulanus. We're shining with our flashlights, and they're waiting for anything to pass underneath them, like a rodent particularly.
A black caiman is released back into the wild after a brief recovery from an injury.
Sometimes they would stay there for some time.
A pair of Brazilian tapirs get quite close to this safari jeep.
Here's the other one. You're looking for another one, aren't you?
Oh, you
Yeah.
It's like leather. Look for the chop or try to.
Don't know who to hang on to.
Oh.
Oh, look at it.
Magnificent footage is recorded of a jaguar being on the prowl in search of prey.
Coming to see us on our last day. Hey. How cutie.
I'm in the Amazon with a baby sloth. Oh, she's so cute.
It is called two-toed sloth.
two-toed sloth.
What do you think about this?
I love this. I am so happy. She's so sweet.
A large group of peccaries gather at this natural salt lick to get some essential and tasty nutrients.
Did you get it? Yeah.
A tourist finds a massive anaconda catching some sun.